Let's say you wanted to edit the main landscape picture on your home page. In order to do that, you're going to need to go to the editor and go over to this side panel right here. Now you're going to go click on this. And as you can see, there is an image that you can select and input into here that will show up on the home page. So we're going to find a free image and we're going to implement that here. We're going to go over here. Let's say we wanted to use this picture right here. It's a nice little picture. We can click on free download. Download this picture and keep it in their downloads. Next, we're going to go over back to your theme editor and click on change. Now click on upload image. Go to your downloads and find the image that you just downloaded and click open. Once you do that, you wait for it to load. Click select to lock that selection in and then save. Very nice. Now the lettering is kind of weird. We're going to change that. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to align it like so. That way we don't have overlap here across the horizon. Actually, let's try this. Is that better? We'll keep it like that for now.